Hello, it's Rolando with landscapingbusinesscards.com, and today we'll be showing you how to use the QR code generator for your prints. It's very simple. All you have to do is click this button right here, and if this pop-up doesn't show up on your screen, you might have a pop-up blocker installed, and you should disable it for the time being while you're creating the QR code. Okay, so here is where we enter the information for your QR code. If you would like it to be a web link, you must include the HTTP colon forward slash forward slash or HTTPS colon forward slash before you put your web address. If you do not include this in front, the device that scans the code will just think it's text. Here you could change your colors. We suggest leaving it black and white because some people aren't familiar with color contrast and their QR code will not work. Okay, so once you have your information here, you just click add code, and here it says replace, but really we're just covering it up. You just click and drag. Okay, here as well you could if you click this corner, you could resize your QR code. Okay, don't make it too small where the camera or device being used to scan doesn't recognize the little pixels. If you're ever in doubt, just pull out your camera and try to scan the screen. If it works, you should be good. Okay, that'll be all. And anything you need, hit us up at landscapingbusinesscards.com.